Greetings everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing about how to get your old account back in Wildcraft. So that is it for this video. Now what we are going to be doing is that here you can see we have official Wildcraft wiki, and these are going to be providing us the solution that we are looking for. The step says press the account button at the top right left side of your screen, the first button. So on your Wildcraft you are going to be simply pressing your account button at the top left side of your screen. Once you do that, you are going to be pressing restore and type in the email you provided with you made your Wildcraft account. So at this point you are going to be providing them the email with which you registered your account on Wildcraft, and once you provide them, go to they will send basically the restore code, and your account will be most probably be automatically be cured and recovered by the team. So it is really simple. Make sure to give it a try, and yeah, thank you so much and see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this one, make sure to subscribe.